Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video guys, I'm going to guide you 2 to 3 steps or the ways to take the screenshot on Windows 11. So now first step, you can check on your physical keyboard. So let me zoom in. So there should be any physical button, as you can see here, print screen button. So first step, you need to press here like this. And once you press your print screen, you can select the portion from where you want to take the screenshot, and now this will directly go to the notification area. And now this is the screenshot. You can edit it like so. So this is the first step. Now the second step, there is an inbuilt tool called snipping tool in Windows 11. Just go to search bar and type there snipping and open the snipping tool here and select this option, snip. You can also capture the video from this, but you need to select the snipping tool, then click on new, and you can take an entire screenshot and it will directly go to this snipping tool page. And even you can take a screenshot like this, that is up to you. And you can color it, you can edit it, and you can erase it as well. These are the colors, inbuilt colors it has, and you can also save it on your computer like so. So this is the second number step, and you can also copy it. So this is the second number step. Now the third step is what happens sometime that when we try to take a screenshot of this, let's say I want to take a screenshot of my this screen, but when I click on the snipping tool, it will close automatically. So what you can do in that case, you need to press Windows and Shift key. So let me zoom in, Windows and Shift key. So basically you need to press Windows, Shift and S key together like this, Windows, Shift and S key. And once you press Windows, Shift and S key together, you should able to capture this screen as well. You can see. And you can see we are able to capture this activity as well on this screen. So these are the 3 steps to take a screenshot on Windows 11. I hope guys this video helps you. If yes, then hit like, subscribe and share. Thank you. Thanks for watching.